Hi everyone. Hello. Welcome back to our Business Analyst Vocabulary series where we simplify complex concepts with real world examples. So today we will explain Agile team roles using a construction project story. This example will help you visualize how teams work together. So just like in a software development projects, let's dive into story. Okay. So meet Victor, a well-connected community member. He is in the local church and knows many people in the neighborhood. So Victor helped the community with their construction need. One day, Sumit and Anna, a couple from his town, approach him. They want to build a 2-story house and need someone to manage the project. So Victor takes on the job and passes it to his brother John, who runs the construction company. John has an experienced team to complete the work. Okay. So to make sure the project successful, John assigned Rachel as the team leader. She is responsible for managing the team's progress and ensuring a smooth communication. Okay. But first they need requirements. What Sumit and Anna wants in their house. This is where Sam comes in. He is the coordinator. Sam listen to Sumit and Anna, gather their needs, and then documents everything clearly. So he explained these details to Rachel and her team. So Ricky and Bevan, the mason who handle the actual construction work. So Ricky is the lead mason responsible for managing their process and giving directions. Bevan is the senior mason, experienced in handling complex tasks. Dillan, the quality controller who checks the work. He ensures the construction is solid and meet requirements before showing it to Sumit and Anna. Ryan creates a blueprint based on Sumit and Anna's requirements. Remy, the designer who sketched the look and feel of the house, focusing on aesthetic and usability. So once the design and structure are finalized, Rachel's team start building the house. Dillan verifies the work step by step until it's ready to be presented to Sumit and Anna. Sumit and Anna review the final house and give their feedback and approve it. Just like building a house require a different role, software development teams also have specific roles to plan, design, and build products. Okay, so now take a look what are the Agile team roles involved in software development. First, project manager plan the project. So you can think like Victor, get the construction project, right? So same here, also project manager get the project and pass it to the the product owner to the plan it. Okay, so here you can think the product owner on the project. Sam is the business analyst, like coordinating with the stakeholders. This case Anna and Sumit, what they need, what the business stakeholder need, and what to need to build. So listen and document and explain to the team. Okay. So next one is Scrum Master, who manage the team, coordinate the Agile team. So in the Agile team, you can see tech lead and developers will be there and testers. Okay. The tech lead is responsible for the managing the project with his developers, and QA tester is responsible for the code, product and features, functionality build according to the requirement. Okay, solution architect is responsible design the system, creating the plan or blueprint, and UX designer create the user friendly layouts like mockups. Okay. So here are the action words you need to remember when you are working with these individuals in Agile team. Okay, so Victor, the project manager, plan project schedules. I will tell one words with one output. Okay, plan project schedules, organize budget, prioritize backlog, the John product owner. Okay, Sam gather requirements. Okay, you can map everything whatever here it's listed. Okay, and Rachel Scrum Master facilitate meetings. Okay, coach Agile team members. Ricky tech lead review codes. Okay, Bevan senior developer execute test cases, build features and functionalities. So execute test cases mean unit test cases. Okay, Dillan QA tester verify test cases, create automation script, create test cases. Ryan solution architect design or plan, build architectural documents or diagrams. Remy designer create or sketch mockups. This we already discussed, so let's quickly go through these words as well. Also, stakeholder, people are who involved in the project. Requirements, details about the what customer or user need. Blueprint or plan or structure. Sprint, it's very important. This is a new word you are learning today. A time box, space or complete specific task for the features. So in Agile methodology, we'll talk about the Agile here. Agile methodology, we deliver deliverables, iterative deliverables. So let's think about to build this house. It takes 6 months. So we can plan the deliverables. We can time box like 1 week. We can treat as a sprint. Usually 2 weeks as a sprint, 10 working days. Okay, some projects 15 days, some projects 21 days. It's up to the team, but the standard is 2 weeks. Okay, so every 2 weeks we will be delivering, we'll be showing something to Anna and Sumit, our stakeholders. So if you break down into small pieces the work, first we'll be building the foundation. So let's say first couple of sprint, first 1 month, right? Will be involving in building the foundation. Okay, so every 2 weeks we complete something, we will show to Anna and Sumit, just approve it. Okay, so iteratively we will be building the entire house. So that we call as a sprint. Backlog, Sam is responsible for because Sam knows already what need to build, so he can write it. So here Sam will be using some software called Jira. So he'll be creating tasks and user stories, and he will be added into the backlog. Okay, so prioritize list of tasks which are complete in the project. So this is done by the John product owner. So deliverables is we call as a milestones here, right? The example, we can build the foundation, we can build the rooms separately. So those we call as a deliverables or milestones. Testing, whatever developers Ricky or Bevan completes, testing team or Dillan or his team has to verify whether it's behaving or look and feel is as expected by our stakeholders. Okay, so this is the verification. Design mockups, so visual draft showing how the project will look like. So this done by Remy or like sometime BA Sam also create design mockups. Okay, quality assurance is the task performed by the testing team, which is the Dillan's team. Final out meet the expectation standards. So Agile methodology is flexible iterative approach we discuss here in the sprint, project development and management. Okay, thank you and have a good day.